I'm Kenneth Chua. I have been working in Capella Singapore for 14 years. I look after all the painting, varnishing and carpentry work. Everything make the hotel look its best.
Kenneth is an artisan in the true sense of the word. A rarity in the world we live in today, where so much is disposed of so quickly. Creating wonderful pieces of art and restoring much loved furniture and pieces around the hotel. And it is such a pleasure having Kenneth on the team at Capella Singapore.
Kenneth does not simply fix things, he restores them with such precision that you never know they will touch. He truly takes pride in his work. During a routine maintenance check, Kenneth noticed that parts of the wooden flooring needs replacement. With his keen eye and expertise in varnishing and painting, the new sections blend in flawlessly, preserving the integrity of our heritage buildings.
I enjoy coming to work every day. It feels like my second home and it makes me happy to make our guests stay comfortable.
He is the complete unsung hero.